So the stem and leaf diagram below shows the distribution of weights in kilograms. Now, of the group of students, the mean weight of these students is 54 kilograms. Now, let's go find out here. So, first, we have the first question. Let's go find the value of x. Now, to find the value of x down here, let's first list all the data points. Now, so those are the data points that we have here, or the student weights. From the stem and leaf diagram by combination or combining each stem with corresponding leaf or its unit stem. Now we have stem 4, that means about 42 and 45. Okay, so let's write it out here. We have 4 that is equals to same with 42 and 45. Okay, now for the 5 down, then here we have 53, 50, 55. Okay, so wait, 55 plus, okay, 55 and plus x. Now on the other one, we have 50 plus x, and that would be out 59. Now, in the last one for the 6, that's equal to 69. Now, let's go there about, we see out here there's about 8 of them in here. So we have the total number, or the number of students, then here is 8 students then. Okay, now to find out the value of x here, let's go set up the mean then. Okay, now here's the problem states. The weight of the kilogram is about 54. Okay, so that's the total then here, 54. Now, let's go find out the mean then. So we have 8, so 42 plus, let's look for A, 42 plus 45 plus 53 plus 50 plus x. Oh, sorry for that one. X plus 50 plus x, and the other one is plus 59 plus 69. Okay, so this gives out about, to solve out for x, let's try to multiply both sides by 8. So that gives us with the answers here as multiplying that by 8 for both of the sides. That's going to give us about 54 times 8. That is 4. Okay, let's write. Let me copy that one then. It's going to be quite long to shortcut this one. Okay, so we're going to multiply that one by 8 both sides then. So multiply by 8. Now multiply by 8. Okay, now after multiplying that one, we get out 432 is equals to, adding out here, that's going to be, and multiplying by 8, that's going to give us about 364 plus x plus x, oh, x plus x, in which that's going to give us about 364 plus 2x, in which we have 432. Okay, now let's go try to subtract both sides by, let's try to subtract both sides by 364. So we're going to minus 364 minus, okay, minus 364 then. Okay, so that's going to give us what? 68 and 2x then. Now, so since we going to divide out 1 by 2, so that's the, let's go write it directly down here. 60 divided by 2, that is 34, or x is equal, or x equals to 34 then. Okay, so now Now, this can be okay. This is incorrect because most x must be a single digit left here. So to correct out the sum then here, so let's go try to add them here for then. So since we have the 34 for the x sound then, let's try to correct out here for the other one. Now, what would be the right answer then here? So the correct sum for that one now is we have, so we have now as 42. Sum would be 42 plus 40,
42.
yeah, 45 plus 53. Try to remember 53 plus 55 plus 50. Oh, sorry for that. Plus 50 plus another 50 and the other one plus 59 plus 60. So all in all, we have this one is about 414. And the other one we're trying to remember, we have 432 and plus 2x. Now, same again, this time, that would give us about 18 and 2x, in which the value for x now here is equals to 9. Okay, so we're done with the value of x down here then. Now, let's try to continue out for the second one. Now, the part then says that find the mean of distribution. Now, since we know the value of x would be 9, so this gives us with the data sets now here. So the data sets that we have now here is that, let's write down here as b, in which we started with here as 42 plus, okay, let's copy that one then for you to see that here. Okay, okay, move on. Okay, there we go. So we have 42 plus 45 plus 53 plus 55. Now, try to remember we have the x's down there. Now, x, those are x's are going to be 9. So that's going to be about 59 plus 59 plus 59. And the last one would be 60 then. Okay. Now, since we there are an even numbers of the data point, and try to remember the total is about 8 then. So the median of the average would be the fourth and the fifth. So let's go find out the fourth and the fifth then. So the fourth that we have then is the 55 and the 59 then, right? Now, since we have that one both as the median and this one is an even, so we're going to add 55 plus 59 over 2 then. So that's going to give us for the median as, so the median would be 114 over 2 then. Now, to solve out for the one, can we still divide this one here? Yeah, we can still divide it one here. That would be equals to 50.
57.
All right, so that would be our median would be in 57 kilograms then. Okay, so we're done with the B then here. Now, for the last one for the C is that it says that if a student is randomly chosen from the group, find the probability, again, find the probability that the weight of the student is in a mode of distribution. Now, let's go try to find out the mode then. All right. Now, so we have that one to the modal distribution, then let's go find. Try to remember this one are 9 and 9. So our mode would be the number that appears most frequently then. So in the data set, we have the number 59. Now, how many times it appear? It is 3 times that. Okay, so since it's 3 times, so therefore the mode is 59 kilograms. Okay, now let's go try to find out the number of models in the weight zone. So since let's go try to calculate out then for the probability. So it says that the probability of that mode that we have now here is that it's 3 times then, right? And 3 and 8, students, that is about 0.375 or about 37.5%. Okay, so that is the answer for this